Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. If not, thanks for the continued support. Today, we're making some plans. Let's hop into this.
Thank you for calling Seaports Freight, formerly UPS Freight. For U.S. domestic customer service, press 1. For specialty market, to schedule a pickup, press 1. For shipment tracking, press 2. For rate quotes, press 3. For bill... This call may be monitored or recorded. Hi, this is Stella. How can I help?
Yes, hi. I'd like to get a rate quote for some freight.
Sure. What's the origin and destination zip code, sir?
The origin is...
Come on. And the destination?
Yes.
Okay. Are you the shipper, receiver, or third party?
I'm actually the receiver.
Receiver. What's the name of your company, sir?
It's gonna be private, no company. And that's actually... I can do a company, actually. Not a problem.
Alright, hold on. Can I have the full address, sir? I'll check if you have an account. It's free.
I don't think so.
How many pallets are you shipping?
It's just gonna be one.
Just one pallet.
Yeah.
What's the description?
It's a transmission.
I'm sorry, train.
It's a transmission for a car.
Oh, a transmission. What's the dimension, sir?
I'm not sure, but it's pretty small. Probably like, give or take, maybe like 3 feet by 3 feet.
Do you have the length, feet, and height? Because I'll be needing.
I don't. I don't on hand now. It's not that big though.
Oh.
Maybe. Okay. Let me just do an estimate off the top of my head. Maybe the length is 3.5 feet. The width is 3 feet, and the height is 2 feet.
3.5, that will be 42 by 36 by 24. Non-stackable, right? Like, can you put something on top of it or no?
I wouldn't suggest it. I would probably be. You'd probably be able to put some. You'd probably be able to put it on top of something else.
And what's the total weight?
Figure 200 pounds.
200 pounds. Let me get your class number. So, 42, 36, 24. Non-stackable. Okay, it says here the actual density is 9.52. That falls under class 100. And is there any special handling needed, like for pickup or delivery?
I would venture to. It's residential on both sides, so I'd venture to say just a lift gate and something to carry a pallet, like a pallet jack.
Like a pallet jack.
Yeah.
So it's residential. So for residential, sir, that is automatically for appointment needed.
Yep.
There will be charge on it as well.
That's fine.
And we're gonna rate quote now. Can I have your name?
Sure. It's Kyle. K-Y-L-E. Last name.
Your...
Pancis. P-A-N-C-I-S. P-A as in P-A as in apple. P as in Peter, A as in apple, N as in Nancy, C as in Charlie, I as in Igloo, S as in Sam.
Thank you. And your number.
currently running the rate quote now.
Sure.
Just a heads up first, since you don't have an account with freight, and also this is residential, you will be charged standard fee. And it says here the rate amount is going to be $2,139.54.
Wow, that's expensive. Okay.
What I can highly suggest is like process a rate quote on the tforcefreight.com. Because normally it's giving a 75% offer for first-time customers.
Gotcha. 75% off, you said?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you just give me the right rate instead of play the nonsense? Okay. What's the website?
tforcefreight.com.
Okay. Are you UPS or are you a separate entity?
T-Force Freights are acquired UPS Freight since May 1st of this year, so it's no longer UPS.
Okay, so does UPS have its own freight department still or no?
I'm sorry, sir?
Does UPS still have its own freight department or no?
No, sir. UPS only has a small package service.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Well, we did that live for you guys. $2,000 to go across the country. That's a bit steep, but if I were to apply online, I would get 75% off. I just don't understand why they just don't give me the right 75% off rate instead of playing all these silly games. But anyways, as you guys can see, we're making some plans here for a new transmission, and that's going to be on the 2002 Saab 9.3 convertible. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated here. If there's anything changes in this video here, I'm gonna put it up, but I have potentially more plans to announce on this if this works out and they don't charge me 75% more than I need to be charged. $2,000. What's 75% off of that is, I don't know, 750 times 2 sounds like 1,500 bucks. So it sounds like the real rate should be 500, potentially less. I don't know why they're doing this. So let me do some more investigating. Maybe I can call another entity and figure out a plan. I don't know if you guys are picking up what I'm putting down, but that's a little excessive for a rate quote. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted here. Alright guys, so I just hung up with an individual that is a family friend who runs a logistics company, and thankfully it's good to know people. So he actually has a FedEx shipping freight account with FedEx, so all I need to do is actually get the dimensions of the piece and the weight approximately, and it should cost like $300 or $400. That's the real price. And even if it went up $100 or $200 because of the weight, I would still be fine with that. So yeah, that other company was a joke. I googled UPS freight because I know UPS does a lot, used to do freight shipping, and I guess evidently as of this year that's no longer the case. So I learned a little bit there, and hopefully that helps you guys. FedEx Freight, and if you know a company that actually that is a logistics company that has a corporate account or whatever, that's obviously a helpful thing. So stay tuned for more, guys. We have a little bit more coming on this topic. We've been talking about it for the last couple months, and hopefully this transpires here in the next couple weeks. We'll see how this plays out. So I'll give you guys another update this next episode coming up. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.